most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm doing a really cute short nude and chocolate manicure, and I decided to share it with you guys because I thought, why the heck not? Super fun and super easy to recreate. So I've chosen the negligee gel polish, which is this beautiful kind of sheer pink but buildable, if that makes sense. You can put 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layers, however kind of opaque you want it. I just really think that it's such a pretty kind of like neutral colour. I really love it. I already applied my base coat and did my prep and everything like that. So at the minute I've got my base coat on and I'm just coming in with 1 coat of negligee on these 2 fingers, and I'm making sure to be careful around that cuticle area. You don't want any product spilling into the side walls. So I'm going to be using the Glitter Bomb brush, which is this beautiful kind of angled brush, which is perfect for dipping into loose glitter and kind of burnishing it onto the nail. It just really makes sure that the glitter is really pushed into the tacky layer. I'm using Dark Soul, which is this beautiful, deep, stunning brown. And I'm also using Coffee Cream, which is our chocolatey coffee gel polish colour. So I'm going to start off by applying the coffee cream, and once I've done that I'm going to cure it in the light for a full 60 seconds. Also guys, please don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and also turn on that notification bell. If you don't turn on the bell, you won't be notified, and that would be so sad if you missed any of my uploads. So yeah, please turn on the bell and also hit all notifications, because if you do personalized or anything less than that, I'm pretty sure that YouTube just doesn't even bother showing any, or you get very little. Yeah, if I turn on notifications for a channel, I always put all because I want to see everything. So I cured the coffee cream gel polish in the light for a full 60 seconds, and now I'm using my Glitter Bomb brush and that Dark Soul loose glitter, and I'm just picking it up and patting it into the tacky layer. Once I've got it fully applied, I'm going to start rubbing the glitter, and what that's going to do is make all of the particles lay nice and flat and smooth, and we're going to get kind of this like reflective surface. And this is where we are at now. Everything's cured and ready to go, but I'm first just going to quickly go ahead and do my pinky finger with that negligee. Next, I'm going to come in with the Nail Mate Gel Polish top coat, and I'm going to go ahead and top coat the 2 glitter nails that I did, just so that that is all protected and good to go. Moving on to the next nail, I'm going to come in with a dotting tool and that coffee cream gel polish. I'm going to do a little heart print pattern. I just thought I wanted to do something simple and cute for Valentine's. I didn't want to kind of overdo it or do pink or red. So here we are with some neutral kind of chocolatey, nude and glitter nails with some cute little hearts. So I'm just doing the 3 dots there, and then I'm going to come in with my liner brush. I'm not curing this yet because we're going to be pulling that product around to shape it into the hearts, and because we've already basically created the shape near enough, all we have to do is pull in the bottom to a point and kind of join the circles at the top just to make cute little heart shapes. And honestly, this is the easiest way to get like even and cute hearts. It's just so easy. It's better than trying to kind of, you know, draw the outline and then fill it in and then it ends up all wonky. Believe me, I've done it so many times. So this is the way I love to do it now. I'm just going to come in and add some little confetti dots. I always think it spruces things up a little bit. Just a few little polka dots, and then I cure that in the light for a full 60 seconds. Next, I'm coming in with our rose gold frames and shapes stud pack, and honestly I love using these. I think embellishing nails with like little pieces just really makes them extra fancy. And I knew that these had these little like rose gold hearts in, and I thought, wow, they're just going to go absolutely perfectly. So on the nails that don't currently have anything on, I'm coming in with some base coat. So you can either use base coat for this or a little bit of like rubber base or a bit of clear builder gel, completely up to you, whatever you have to hand. And I'm going to blob a little bit onto the nail. We're not going to cure it because we're going to pick up our little piece and we're going to place it on the nail and making sure that it sinks into that product. You want to make sure that it sinks right in so that it's kind of holding onto it really tightly. We don't want it to come off and we don't want to lose it halfway through wearing this set. Next, I'm going to come in with the gel polish base coat and I'm going to go ahead and seal in my metal charms that I've just applied. I like to do this with base coat because it's a little bit thicker, so then you get kind of that encapsulated feeling about it because it has got that thickness. So I'm just going to concentrate most of the product over the metal stud and then gently blend it down just so that we're not creating like a bulging bump on the nail, because that would be super annoying. I'm going to do that on both the nails, cure it in the light, and then we can do the next step. So the next final step for this is to add the top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and top coat everything, and then that is literally this manicure finished. It is just the cutest, the simplest nail design, but you know, if you've got short nails and you still want to be fancy, then you can definitely do that. Just use what you have. You could do this with regular nail polish, gel polish that you already have in your collection, or you can check out my gel polishes in the links that I'll leave down below for you guys. But yeah, look how stunning, honestly. So freaking pretty. After you cure the Nail Mate top coat, I'm going to come in with Safe Scrub just to remove that tacky layer. I'm using a lint-free wipe. I'm just spraying some on there. I'm just going to really cleanse those nails, get rid of anything, any product, any dispersion layer, any dust. Give them a real good clean. After you've done that, you can go ahead and wash your hands and then come and apply your cuticle oil, or do yourself like a luxury manicure. Just, you know, give yourself a bit of time, a bit of self-care, a bit of love. As you can see on the screen, I'm giving you 25% off our cuticle oils at the minute with that code. So go and check them out. You won't be disappointed. They are so moisturizing and hydrating. They are bomb. But yeah, guys, this is the look. Love how it turned out. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And as always, thank you for watching. And remember, you are bomb.com. Lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye. Don't forget to head into the description box down below and check out my other links, videos, playlist. Head over to my channel and subscribe if you didn't already. Hopefully you can join me for future videos. Bye.